welcome back to my channel. I've made another one, and I made a scarf for my ears too. Headband. I'm sorry, I just had to. And here are some lovely Dutch skies with the pink clouds in the evening. Just loved it. And here I go again with another one, this time in black, because everything goes with black, doesn't it? So I started the Simple Thing scarf as well. Knitting away here. My cat is calling me in the background, can you hear it? I think he sees the neighbouring cat. And here's a close-up of the end with the tassel. I also usually make the tassels in advance, so I know how. And I went to a flea market here in the town, and I found these dogs, Staffordshire dogs, a very special tale I will tell you sometimes about. And I'm going to start the MKAL as well, so needed some yarn, and I found some drops yarn which was on sale, and I bought that one, the yellow one, the lemonade one, and the mandarin one. See you next time.